Hey guys, Eddie the Magic Monk here. So what we've done now is we have resetted our phone and it starts off with saying hello. That's the Korean hello, 안녕하세요. 您好, that's the Chinese hello. And press home to open. Okay, there it is. So press home to open. It asks you to select a language, and obviously this probably can't continue unless I choose English. So I'm just going to do that. English. Select your country or region. So I'm just going to say Australia. Quick start. So set up manually. That's the only way to do it. Choose a Wi-Fi network. So you can see that it's detected the Wi-Fi at my house. So I'm just going to click it. And I'm going to enter the password to my Wi-Fi. So don't copy what I'm writing. Join the network and succeeded. Okay, so it's trying to activate my iPhone. And let's just see what comes up next. Okay, use your fingerprint in place of your passcode or Apple ID password to continue. So continue, place your finger. So I'm just going to put my finger on the home button. Don't click the finger, so just lift and rest your finger on the home button repeatedly. Just keep doing that, and it just keeps detecting. Keep going to capture the edges of your print. So put your finger at different angles so it can capture the edges of your fingerprint. Okay, so now it's complete. Your print can be used for unlocking your phone, which is great. So continue. Create a passcode. So the way this iPhone works is that when you click the on button to start your phone, every day, if you turn it off and you turn it on again, you still need to enter your passcode the first time you turn it on before you can use your touch. Okay, so now it says, do you want to restore the data that you've backed up previously? So I'm just going to set it up as a new phone because then I can show you guys how to do it. But you can restore it from iTunes backup later on, I'm guessing, which is what I'm going to do. And then, so set it up as a new iPhone. So if you don't have an Apple ID, then you need to click don't have Apple ID and create a free Apple ID, and then you can go through the steps for that. But I already have an Apple ID, so I'm just going to put it in here. And then a message is being sent to your phone number. Oh, it's already detected that. Okay, terms and conditions, just agree. And then, okay, now it's got express settings. You can use the settings below, so I'm just going to use express settings. And then I'm not going to set up Apple Pay. And then I'm not going to set up iCloud. I'm not going to give my analytics, display, zoom, choose a view. Just choose the standard view unless you have trouble seeing the icons. Welcome. Okay, so this is your iPhone. So once you get into the main menu, then come back to our next iPhone tutorial. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.